Unlock the secret to YouTube success with this one trick. Are you struggling to keep your viewers engaged? Well, what if I told you there's a game-changing way to boost your YouTube content with engaging and insightful facts? To make this even easier, I've got this special prompt giveaway for free in the comments section of this video. Discover strategies to present fun and intriguing facts to keep your viewers hooked. So, how do you tailor your content to resonate with your audience's interests? Listen to align your facts and statistics with what your audience cares about. Therefore, create content that not only informs, but entertains and surprises your viewers. Engaging your audience is crucial. But why does that matter? Tailored content can boost your channel growth and enhance your content strategy. This is perfect for YouTube creators, educators, and vloggers. So watch now and transform your YouTube content into a viewer magnet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creator tips, more on ChatGPT, and more on ChatGPT Prompts. Remember, check the comments section for the special prompt to help you create engaging and insightful content that resonates with your audience. Please go to the link in the comments or the description to get my ebook, AI Prompts for Content and Marketing, with over 200 customizable prompts to help you get any of your content done.